Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. I welcome you to my new amazing video with a new amazing project. So you can see in my web page there is a profile card looking so beautiful with a beautiful background in a gradient and a beautiful card with a beautiful profile picture with a beautiful name and here the beautiful follow button. When I hover on it, you can see the beautiful hovering effect and see the codes. 60 codes I have, 72 followers and 3 following, like that. One thing I'll show you, when I refresh on it, see here is a beautiful box shadow you can see in surrounding. So it's looking so beautiful. You can add your image here, your name, what you are front-end developer, follow links, and here codes, followers and following, like that you can add. So you can see. So now come to our VS Code. So if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. So here in my HTML file, I have written the basic structure of my HTML, and then I have given the title profile card. So now I have linked my CSS file, which you can see here, and then go for in body tag. I have taken a div with class wrapper, and in this div I have taken another div with class card background, and in this I have taken a img tag with src logo I have taken of my YouTube channel. You can see here. For that, then I have taken one more div with class card desk, in which I have written Becodewala in h1 tag. Then I have written br tag for breaking the line. Then I have taken a p tag here, written front-end developer. You can see here p tag with front-end developer. So now out of these divs, we have taken one anchor tag, and in this I have taken one button where I have written follow me. You can see here follow me button. So for that, now we have taken one more div with class card footer, and in this card footer I have taken class numbers. So we are going to write our following and codes. So we have taken one div with class info, and in this div class info I have taken a span tag. So and in this span tag I have written 60, means 60, and here codes, means I have 60 codes. Like that, I have taken one T with class line to make a line between them. So here 60 code, you can see. After that a vertical line is there. After this 60 code, one vertical line is there. After this also one vertical line is there. So for that we have taken this div with class line. So similarly we have taken one more div, and here we have 72 followers, and then here one more line I have taken, and then one more div for following counting. So I have taken 3 following. So like that you can write in your code editor, and you can see the result. So now come to our CSS file. Here in my CSS file I have taken the margin 0, padding 0, and font family emoji, and box sizing border box for our page. So Now in body tag I've taken in background linear gradient to top and this color code and one more color code with no repeat center, and it should be in center and fixed. So you can see in my background this beautiful color. So for that we have written this, and background says I have taken cover. Then come to our class wrapper. Here is class wrapper. In this class wrapper I have taken background color this, and then I have taken a height 400 pixel and a width 310 pixel. Then I've taken text align center so that our text should be in center. Then I've taken margin 20% and auto also. So then I've taken border radius 10 pixel and a box shadow 2 pixel from vertical and horizontal to and 13 pixel blur with this color code. So now I've taken position absolute, and from top it should be 50% and left should be 50%, and transform translate -50 from horizontal and -50% from vertical so that it will be in center. Then I have taken overflow hidden and a transition 0.5 second. So now then come for card background. So here is the card background class. So in this I have taken a background linear gradient this color and this color. You can see in my page this color, you can top, you can see. Then I have taken a height 120 pixel and a width 100 pixel for that linear gradient, and a border top left radius 10 pixel and border top right radius 10 pixel. You can see here border top and this radius. So for that, now for our image styling I have taken img class. So then I have taken width 100% and border radius 50%. Then I have taken position should be absolute and it should be from top 72 pixel and border 7 pixel solid and with this color code. Then I have taken card desk class. Here is our card desk class. In this I have taken margin top 100%, 100 pixel, and padding should be 10 pixel. Then come to our h1 tag in which I have taken Becodewala. So there Becodewala I have written color of our text is this. You can change in here text also. So then font size 20 pixel and a margin top -40 pixel. Then I have taken for our p tag I have taken a color this color, so gray color, and then I have taken margin top -5 pixel. Then for our button follow me we have taken from margin top 130 pixel and a border 2 pixel solid with this color code. Then I have taken height 40 pixel and width 120 pixel, font size 15 pixel and a border radius 10 pixel, and a cursor should be pointer, and then background color this color code, and then transition all 0.3 second and ease in and a beautiful color of the text. I'll show you the color text and this border and a background color. So now come for hovering. When you hover on button, background will be 0 nothing, and then color code of our text will be changed to this, and a border 3 pixels solid, and this when I hover on it. See when I hover on it, background and text color is changing, and border radius color also changing. So now for card footer. So here is our class card footer. So now we are going to style our footer. So here background color, I have taken linear gradient to write this color code and this color code. So then I have taken padding 35 pixel from top and bottom and 30 pixel from left and right. Then I have taken border bottom right radius 10 pixel and border bottom left radius 10 pixel. Then I have taken margin top 20 pixel. Then in info class you can see here. So for that we are taking text from uppercase, it should be in uppercase and flex 1 and a color of the text is and font size 14 pixel. So now in info I have taken a span tag in which I have written 60. So for that display should be block and a color code this. Now for numbers, so for that this class I have taken display flex and item should be in center. So for line which you can see here between this line, I'll zoom you and show you this line you can see here. So for that line width I have taken 3 pixel and height 30 pixel and a background color code this and a margin 5 pixel. So after writing this much of code you will get a beautiful profile card like this. So you can see in my web page it's so beautiful, so you can try on. So thank you. I hope you guys like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to share with your friends. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video and sorry don't forget to follow on us on Instagram @Becodewala. So thank you.